What's up, guys? Danix11 here. We're putting the carpet back in the Chevy. So I got the new carpet. It's laying over there on the side of the truck bed. I got it all cut out. What I'm doing now is putting the stuff in. I washed it. I didn't get new stuff because the other carpet has stuff on it too. So I figured just throw this back in here. Why not, right? It doesn't stink. It was the carpet that stank. So there we go. There we go. Just go under that like so. Like that. There. That's all good. There's a hole for that little stud. Those two studs. That stud there. That all looks good. Okay. Pull the seat belt out from under it. There we go. Push it down. There. Now we got our sound dampener in. You can tell this has it on it too. So that'll be nice and warm in here too. But now this thing has to go back across this airbag wire. Gotta snap that down to all these little studs. That's the way it goes. Like that. I'll go do the other side real quick. Okay. There's one. And another. And this ground wire. For the seat, I guess. I don't know. Hook the ground back up. I'll tighten it in a minute. Other stud. Oh, what's going on back there? There we go. Alright, that's better. So this wire just has to run along this track right here, and it plugs back into here like so, and then it goes right there like that, and then this one goes down here like that. Beautiful, beautiful. So you guys ready to see some carpet? 3, 2, 1, carpet. Almost there. I got to trim along the edge and do that side, trim that side. But yeah, my holes are lining up decent. It's looking good. Coming out really good. So it's looking badass, guys. Brand new carpet. It's a little lighter, that's for damn sure. This is like a dark gray. I don't know, but I like the lighter color. It'll hide dirt better. Because, you know, brown and tan. It's kind of a tannish pewter. That's what it's called. It looks cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put the center console in and then trim this because that's gonna pull it in a little and I don't want to trim off too much. So I'm gonna bolt that center console down right quick. All right, we got the center console. It's not bolted, but it's in. So just kind of see how it looks. It's looking damn good. I'm digging the contrast. Some of y'all might be like, ooh, that's fucking gross, but I don't care. It's my truck, fuck off. But I like it. It's all right. It looks new. You know? Fresh. I'm gonna get the center console down and put in the driver's seat, and then I'll trim the edges once I get those bolts tight. I gotta know how far it's gonna pull it in. But the front and back are looking good. So yeah, here it is with the seat in. So now we got the seat in. It's all bolted in, hooked up. It's looking good. Floor's finally coming together over here. It's looking real nice. Alright, so now I'm going to work on the passenger side. So, passenger seat in 3, 2, 1. Alright, got that in. accidentally screwed up and made a huge ass cut right there. So I should be able to sew it. And you won't really see it much because that covering goes like that. So, I mean, it won't be too visible. But yeah, I'm just working on the back seat now. Sliding it into its slots. It's coming along real nice. It's looking real good. So I'm gonna pop in that driver's side over there and I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Seat's bolted in and it works. Folds up, locks up. Both sides bolted. Just gotta pull the lever, it falls down. So now it's finally time to cut the excess. So I'm gonna do the driver's side first because I want to. Look how slow the seat goes. Honestly, I think I'd rather have manual seats. This is so slow. This is ridiculous. Okay, there we go. A lot of leg room back there, folks. That's the way I sit because I got long arms. The steering wheel just looks weird. That looks weird that way too. There we go, that looks better. Alright, well, I'm going to put that weird little cover on that goes over that pole right there, that black pole. It's got a weird little cover. And then I'm going to do this and I'll show you what it looks like. What you want to do though is you want to follow right inside of these little black things, because those are the snaps for your little covers there, little plastic covers. There's a word for them, can't remember it. Anyway, I'm gonna do that right quick. Well, we got those side panels in, wires for the speaker, trimmed it, cut it. Looks really good. I'm liking it a lot. It's getting dark out, but I'm almost done. I just got to trim the other side and it's done. Then I got to put the dash back on and the cup holder assembly, but that ain't too hard. That's pretty easy. Just pops all together. So I'm gonna go take a break and then do the other side. So yeah, and here we go. Back in 3, 2, 1. Well, I got it all put back together. I got the CB and the scanner in. I got it trimmed on the right side. Got the liner put in. It looks good. Can't really tell though because I got my floor mats in. Big old floor mats. You can see the new carpet anyway. So I got me a new steering wheel cover because why not? And yeah, put the dash back on and everything. So now I'm just driving around enjoying my truck, not smelling like ass. Smells good. Smells like cherry air freshener. Just cruising around. So anyway, guys, like it if you like it, dislike it if you hate it. Comment below for commenting, because that's where you comment, below. And